Hey you guys, so my mom decided that she would make Djon Djon, which is rice with mushrooms, I think. I don't exactly know what Djon Djon means, but I just know it's like a mushroom. It's like dried mushrooms. That's what gives it this color. And she made it with green beans, not green beans. Where do I get green beans from? Why isn't this thing zooming? Okay, whatever. With green peas, but you can make it with lima beans if you want. So when she makes this again, I will definitely let you know how she made it. I can tell you the ingredients, but yeah, that wouldn't do much of any good. But she made it with white rice. You can make it with brown rice if you want, for a more healthier way of doing it. So just know that this will be coming up sometime soon, okay? And I just got some, so that's why you see that little chunk taken out, because I'm about to eat it. All right, peace out, y'all.